The other type of problem that you're going to run into in this section, it looks like this. It's basically, did she make a mistake or was this the correct process? So let's take a look. So Maya was asked whether the following equation is an identity. So she performed the following steps. So let's take a look at the steps she did. So she's starting with the left side, 2x plus 3 times x plus 1. And it looks like she's starting with distributing. So 2x squared plus 2x, and then plus 3x plus 3, and just checking that off, 2x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 3. That checks off, that's good. Okay, so step 1 is fine. Let's go ahead and look at the next step. So for the next step, we have 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus x plus 1. Now, is that okay of a step? Well, let's take a look. So 2x plus 3x, what is that? That's going to be 5x, right? So 4x plus x, they're just splitting it up and rearranging here. You'll see why in a little bit, but the 4x plus x, does that equal 5x? Yes, so that's okay. And then similarly, you can see, so 2x squared and 2x squared, that's fine. And then the 2x plus 3x, 4x plus x, those are the same, right? And then 3 is the same thing as 2 plus 1. So yes, currently we are still okay. This is still fine. So now let's look at what they're going to be doing next. So what are they doing next? Well, they're going to be looking at, let me just clean this up a bit. They're going to be looking at right here, those first three terms, and factoring out a 2. So if you were to factor a 2 from there, you should be left with, well, x squared plus 2x plus 1. And then over here, just be left with the x plus 1, right? So yes, this is okay. This one checks off. And then lastly, factoring the x squared plus 2x plus 1. Well, if we were to do our factored right here, our diamond method, what multiplies a 1 and adds a 2? 1 and 1. So you'd have x plus 1 times x plus 1, which is x plus 1 squared. So does that check off? Yes. X squared plus 2x plus 1 is x plus 1 squared. So that is fine right there. So is this equivalent? Everything, every single step here has been fine. She has done okay. And this is the same thing as that on the right. So this would be an identity.